Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So I'm coming back with another pro tip here for you, and today we're going to talk about which one's better. A full face shield or just plain old safety glasses. Now, I'll go ahead and give you this pro tip real quick. Neither one is better. So boom, ha, big surprise, right? So what I'm going to tell you today is that you need both. You need both in your shop. These do kind of two different things. This stops a majority of things flying at your face, your whole facial region, where this mainly just stops random ricochets and things from hitting your retina or your eyeballs. The problem with it is say you just wear this hood, it doesn't stop any small particulates from getting around inside or on the top side of your hood here. It does a really great job of stopping a shower of sparks and sprays and things like that from backlashing onto your face, but it does not do a good job at keeping the smaller particulates out of your eyes. So that's where a good tight-fitting pair of safety glasses, now I will always recommend 3M to you. They seem to be the standard when it comes to safety glasses and things like that. So my pro tip to you today is to make sure that you wear both your safety glasses and a face shield together at the same time. What that does, that gives you a little bit of double protection. So it stops the smaller particulates from getting in, and it just gives you that kind of that double protection. And that, trust me, whenever you're doing something grinding, you're using, not so much when you're using a belt grinder like this or belt sander, but when you're using stuff like cutoff wheels, angle grinders, things like that, it is great to take and have this extra bit of protection to keep stuff off your face. My biggest thing that I use this for is the buffer. It throws all sorts of trash and dirt and buffing compound up at my face whenever I'm buffing out my copper work and bowls and things like that. And so this is really greatly handy for that. It's also, it'd be good for wire wheeling operations because those little slivers, those boogers suck. I hate those little things. They'll flick it off the wire wheel at you and stick you. I've had one stick me in the cheek before off of a wire wheel on a bench grinder. So very handy to take and have these. It can protect your face from more harm than what just the safety glasses can. At any rate, I always suggest that you have one. If all you have is this, go out and purchase these. You can pick these up, I think, packages of 3 or 4 of them for like $9. Pretty cheap, as where this is about 20 bucks, anywhere from about $10 all the way up to $20. I'll put some links to these in the description down below. Those are affiliate links. They go to help the channel out with a small little commission if you decide to buy through those links. Otherwise, just use them as a resource to make a buying decision the next time you're down at the local hardware store. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what type of safety equipment you use to protect your eyes or this whole beautiful face of yours in the comment section down below. Hit that like button if that's something you're into. And as always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.